Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to get a command block in Minecraft, so let's get started. First, open Minecraft and head into single player. Click on Create New World and make sure the Allow Cheats option is turned on. Without this, the command block method will not work. Now go ahead and create the world. If you plan on playing with friends, make sure cheats are also enabled when opening to LAN. Once your world is loaded, you won't find the command block in the creative inventory. Even if you search for it, nothing shows up. To get around this, you'll need to use a command. Press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat. Then type /give followed by your Minecraft username. Then type command_block. Your username should match your in-game name exactly. Minecraft will even suggest the correct syntax as you type. Press enter, and the command block will appear in your inventory. You can place it in the world just like any other block, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.